done by you, okay, or done by you before, right?
Yes.
But need to change the prong color. You know what is prongs? Prongs are this one, this one, this one, and this one. Need to change to white. Alok,
Yes.
this ping, this, can you see the earring?
Yes. Yes.
So these one, this one, this four triangle, this four triangle need to change to white.
Okay. Do you need diamond color?
Yes, say I already upload the sample here. Sample one, sample two, sample three, sample four. Like same like this. Same like this.
Okay.
This, okay, this one.
Okay.
Same like this one. This color.
Okay. Okay. I can
Okay, so
understand.
all four, only this one, two, three, and four. All four change to white color. Okay.
Okay.
Same here also. Okay. All four change to white color. Okay.
Yes.
It is gonna be same like the sample here. Sample is here.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Same in. So I'm clicking this one. Okay. Same in here. Okay. All one, two, three, and four. This four need to change to white. Okay.
Yes.
Only this four metal. Okay. No need to change any diamond. Only this metal change to white. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This
Uh,
one no need to change anything. Only this one.
only this problem for all image.
Yes.
Okay.
I forget to tell you when last time. So that's why I just tell you to can change this. Rest all is okay.
Okay.
This only this four prongs pink need to change to white. Okay.
Okay. I will do it.
So this is a sample. No need to change the sample. Sample is just to show you the example. Okay. Just to show you the sample how it is done. Okay.
Okay.
And then same here. You need to change this four. So no need to change this. You can just copy this one here to one here. Okay. This one, when you change this one, you just put it here also and you put it here also. Okay. Easy for you.
Okay.
Okay. And in the ring also. So now in the oval, same. All four, one, this two, this three, and this four change to white. Okay.
Yes.
Because this is white diamond, right? So need to be white. Okay. This all four need to be white. Okay.
Okay.
So only change from here. My arrow. See my arrow. Yeah. Here. Okay. This triangle. This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I can understand.
Yeah. This. Okay. And now same here. Here, and here. Okay.
Yes.
Change to white. Okay.
Yes.
Same here. Okay. One, two, three, four. Okay. Change to white. Okay.
Yes.
But do it very nicely. Okay. I mean, proper triangle. Not no white here, no white here. Only white is here. This triangle. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And same here. Alok. One, two, and there's three. This is only three. Okay. Not four. Only three. One, two, and three. Okay.
Yes. I can understand. Very sad for your business.
Yeah. So Alok, so this one in the side, right? So same, you make like this here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, all white. Okay.
Okay, okay.
And same here also. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay.
Yes.
Exactly same shape, Alok. This is pointed, yeah. You know, pointed. This is
Yes,
point.
I can understand
Yeah.
properly.
Okay,
Okay.
Alok. Okay, Alok. Okay. Only this, Alok. This is this is done by you before, so I just want to tell you that can change and then send to me again
Okay.
whenever you have time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Alok. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.